our Triumph on Arrow. Okay, that makes it go like. There you go! Oh, jeez. Okay, wait, I can recover. And we are out of there. Are you serious? I don't think this is good. This is fine. The controls are damaged. This is not good at all. I don't think it's supposed to spin. I'm billing. Okay, I'm coming up. Help the side. Oh, it's the water. Oh, man. Oh, Mayday. That's supposed to spin that fast. I'm stuck. I just watched you get flung out. Well, okay. Wow, that went well. Why does it sound like it's getting louder? Did it land? Negative. Oh, no, it's okay, you want to take the boat today?